Not bad.
From what I understand, it's supposed to be a very easy build, even just for one person. So I'm gonna go ahead and build it for you, and let's see if that's true. Let's speed it up. Voila, look, I did it. And I'll tell you what, it was really easy, but it took a little bit of time just because you're having to screw in each, individual thing. It's actually very light. Look at this, nice and light, which is great for moving it around, but it also feels incredibly strong for it being so light. So that's really cool because of these reinforced bars. So this will hold a big TV, it'll hold books, it'll hold anything that you need it to hold. A company contacted me to receive this, build it, and review it. And I'm really grateful that they did because this is gonna come in handy for me. This was a score.